Upon the field where shadows creep, a knight arose from dreams so deep. With steel in hand and heart of stone, he faced the fire, he stood alone. Oh, brave knight, with courage high, you faced the beast beneath the sky. The dragon roared, the heavens cried, but still you fought, you never died. The dragon's scales, a bird